Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we'll practice the present simple tense. You'll complete 4 short exercises to help you improve your grammar step by step. Get a pen and paper, or just follow along. Use the correct form of the verb for each sentence. Pause the video if you need more time. You have about 2 minutes to complete it. Let's check your answers together. He walks to school every weekday. I wake up at 6 every morning. My mother goes to the park after breakfast. We have 2 cute bunnies. My brother works at the gym. My little sister watches TV after dinner every day. You eat breakfast at 7 a.m. My friend and I study together every Saturday. My father cooks dinner every evening. My grandmother has a laptop. Let's solve the second exercise. Match the beginnings to the correct endings. You have about 2 minutes. Let's check your answers together. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. He gets up early and drinks a cup of coffee every morning. We clean the house on weekends. The earth revolves around the sun. Our train arrives at 4 p.m. Rewrite each sentence in the negative form. You can pause the video if needed. Let's check your answers together. He doesn't live in Canada. We don't start work at 7 a.m. I don't eat lunch at noon every day. In the book, the main character doesn't have 3 sisters. He isn't a teacher. Change each sentence into a question. Focus on the correct word order and verb form. Let's check your answers together. Do you have 2 dogs? Does your grandpa read a newspaper every morning? Does your mother start work at 7 a.m? Does his brother like swimming? Do they like listening to music? Finally, let's look at the most important rules. Use present simple for habits, routines, and facts. To make a negative, use don't or doesn't and the base verb. To make a question, use do or does and the base verb. We've reached the end of the video. Great job! Keep practicing a little every day to master the present simple. Don't forget to like and follow for more English practice with English Witty. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.